Man, I'm so broke. I just need like so much money. I need like 2 cents on my bank account. I just need a job. Yeah, I just hear somebody need a job. Yeah, I need a job. Okay, you can go storm chasing and I'll give you 70 grand because this is our job. Because we're scientists and we need to capture stuff in tornadoes. Okay, I'm gonna go do it. Okay, bye. You make your tornado thingy. Okay? Okay. Bye. Oh man, I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna make it. This thingy. Okay, let's go. Okay, I need to make it, so I need to get my welding torch and make it. It's gonna take a long time. This will be good. Okay. 20 days. 20 days later. Okay, now I just need to do that. Okay, I think it's good. Now I can just put that away. Now this is so good, bro. This is so good. Okay, now I just need to get in somehow. Cause I don't know. Okay, it's just I don't like. Okay, guys, I'm in. Oh my god. Okay, now we need. This is so cool. Let's drive it. Now if you got the wheels works, spikes works, and we got the light, we got a camera, and we got a flap. Nice. Okay, let's go. Let's go see. Okay. Ding 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 Okay. Can you stop moving? Okay. Wait, hold up, guys. Sorry. Let me make the scene. Okay, let's go to the test area. Gate opening. Gate is opening. Okay, can you open, please? Just okay. Just go. Gate is closing. This is the test room. They said this was the test room. Well, let's see about that. Hello, I'm just a speaker around here, and this is the test room for the wind speed. Okay, so the EF one coming, deploying right now. Okay, I guess I need to deploy. Okay. Can deploying still? Takes pretty long. Okay, I'm done deploying. Okay, EF1 is starting. Oh my god. This is too easy. EF2. Okay, only pretty bad. Okay. EF3 coming in. Oh, this is too easy. Oh, okay. EF. EF4 coming. Oh no, oh no. I'm getting picked up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm getting picked up. Okay. EF5. Oh no, no, no. 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 Oh no, no, no. Only one spike is going. Turning off. Nice. We can actually almost survive it. Only if my thingy will survive. So let's deploy. Good job. You have finished the task. Now you can storm chase. Oh nice. You can storm chase now. Opening gate. Oh nice, let's go. Closing gate. Okay, we should go get some tornadoes. Okay. Let's go. Making the scene. Just waiting, guys. Just wait. I need to make the scene. Sorry if it's long. Okay. making the scene, guys. Still making it, guys. Sorry, it's taking long. So get him again. Okay, I see EF4 tornado. I mean, wait, no, that's not EF4. Oh, let me check my radar. Oh, okay, that's an EF3. Okay, let's go intercept it. Let me deploy. Let me get more closer first. Okay, I'm gonna deploy right here. Still. Okay, I'm done deploying now. Okay, let's see if the tornado can beat us. Tornado warning at Oklahoma City, EF3. Okay, let's see if this tornado can defeat. Let's see if this tornado can defeat this tornado guy. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Okay, I guess let's go intercept this now. Go. Ah, the tornado is actually strong. No, we're getting lifted. No. Okay. Making the scene again. Guys, don't tell me why. I'm dumb. Okay. I don't have all that good stuff because for some reason my mom won't let me have it. I think. No, do not do that. Oh my god. I can't do this. Oh god. Why did you break your own neck? Ow. Oh, that hurted so much. I mean, I did get footage because of my camera, but ow, that hurts. Oh God. I don't need paramedics. Does somebody need... Oh no, you need paramedic. Okay, I'm the medic, so let me just get my kits out. Okay. Oh man, you look like you're really bad. I mean, not like really, really bad, but you have few things, so injuries. So let me. It's just like you need. So let me check your heartbeat first. Oh no, he did. His heart. Get him this thingy. Can you stop getting close to me? No. I was not alive. I mean, he is kind of alive, pretend. Okay, just need to get some band-aids for him. Okay, I think it's good. Bye. I feel much better. But, oh, my mind, it still hurts. Just get my regen potion. Okay, now, there we go. Oh my God. Can't believe I still survived that. Bro, but my car's so broken. Oh my God, bro. I just need to go get that money, though, and I can live life. Yes. But how I'm gonna get in? How do I get out? Because I can't get out. There's nothing. There's no transport vehicles. So I need to get out somehow. Hey, you. Who's that? It's me. You almost died, but I still give you the cash. Huh? What? Oh. My bad. Oh, so you're gonna give me the cash? Yeah. Yes. Yes, let's go. 70K. Yeah, 70K. You get 70K. Just go in my car so you can get home. Okay. Let me get my car. Okay, my car's right here. Get in. Okay. Okay, let's go now. Okay. Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay. We're at your house. Thank you, sir. Okay, now I can get out. Thank you, sir. Ah. Okay, bye. I'm just gonna send this money in my phone. Just grab it. Let's get some cash. Okay, now I'm good. Let's go. Bye, house. Okay, now check my phone if he got me the money. Let me just grab it. Oh, you got me it. Nice. Thank you, bro. Okay, let me just put my phone away. Nice, now I'm rich. Ugh. Okay, bye, guys. See you later. I'm gonna post on